Welcome back. Joining us via Skype from Atlanta is William Matthews, the CEO of Kids4Wealth. William is a 14-year-old entrepreneur with a business centered around teaching kids great money habits.
I mean, what an overachiever. Sounds like we all could learn a thing or two from him. At 11 years old, William doubled his savings from launching his business, Snack Shack, and soon he launched his second business, teaching kids how to make purchases and save for the future. Thank you so much for joining us, William. I feel like I accomplished nothing in my life right now.
Absolutely nothing.
Thank you so much. It's great meeting you guys.
Great meeting you. Can you tell us a little about Kids4Wealth? How did it get started? What's it about?
Yeah, so Kids4Wealth is my business that teaches kids good money habits using my money system that shows them exactly what to do with their money. And it also shows the successful actions that I've taken to basically create my own business and get to the point where I'm at like now.
So how long has this now been on? How long have you been doing this now for?
Well, I started Kids4Wealth, like right after selling snacks. So it was like around 11 or 12.
That's incredible. Give us some reasons why, good money saving habits should start when you're young, but give us some reasons why it's important to save your money and what you've learned.
So I think it's really important to have good money habits, because in the future when you become an adult, you'll be able to have you won't have debt or bad credit or anything, and you'll be able to get the things you want, and you won't have to worry about billing or anything because you have the money for that.
So William, I understand your parents were a great influence in your decision making. What should parents really teach their kids about starting a business or even saving money?
So the one thing I think parents could do best is definitely, check out my website and my money system, but because it shows what good money habits are and why it's important to have them, and it also shows how you can start your own business and that sort of thing. And it's also hard for a lot of parents to talk with their kids about good money habits. A lot of people don't know how to really open up with it or that sort of thing, talk about it. And with my money system, it's just a video that you can easily watch, and that helps a lot.
Where do you see your business growing then, William?
So I'm actually working on a book so that people who like to read more or like to or prefer to have a book over a video, they can always get the book. And it also tells stories and things I've learned over the years and whatnot. And I'm also gonna be doing videos for older kids. So my money system will be for teenagers and even maybe adults, for it'll go over banking and covering expenses and whatnot, that sort of thing. That's more of for a higher group of age.
Wow. In your experience, what do you think about kids, or teens rather, getting credit cards and sort of establishing good credit at a younger age? Do you agree with that?
Yeah, I really agree with that. My parents are getting me into having my own credit card and whatnot, and they've taught me things about credit and whatnot and what's good about it. And yeah, I agree with going. I believe that as long as you keep your credit well, then it's good.
So William, let me jump in here now. Let me throw you a curveball here, right? So what do you like to do besides your business? Is there something you are passionate about that you like to share with our viewers?
Well, I like to spend time with my friends and hang out and whatnot, and obviously play games. I'm not just about business. I have things I do as a kid and everything. But I guess the only other things I do besides my business is hang out with friends and go on and learn more about business and more things to learn.
William,
yeah, that's
before I let you go, I got to know what you're saving your money for. Do you want to buy something crazy, like a car? Like, what is it?
so. I'm actually saving up for an electric skateboard. It's
Nice.
$380. So like I'm almost there, cause yeah.
Good for you.
All right, William. Well, thank you so much for being on the show. All the best to you, and
Thank
good
you.
luck, okay?
I learned
Thank
something
you so
today,
much.
man. I
You're
learned something
welcome.
today. Thanks again to all of our guests, and thanks to all of you at home for watching.
And remember, let's continue our conversation on social media. We look forward to hearing from you and share with us topics and guests you would like to see on the show. Have a great weekend.
The preceding was sponsored by